Hi guys, this is my first video of Mini. First unboxing. Okay. Usually getting tools, electric stuff. So let's see what I get in here. Everything that I'm getting, I'm gonna make a video of using it. So and if you want to, I will give you a link so you could buy it. I'm usually searching for the best price, so nice. Wanted things like this for a long time, so this is look pretty neat. So it's in the middle of the night here, so I won't chop wood right now, but hopefully tomorrow. Yes. Well, camera doesn't want to focus. Okay, let's put this bad boy into its place. Yay! I'm very excited. I love to DIY with woods and etc. Oh, let's show you how far. Well, hope you like this video. This is, like I said, this is the first of many. If I build something, I will try and post it, and see you again. Please subscribe, push the like button. See you on the next video.